Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to permanently delete your Evernote account. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to evernote.com. Once you're on the homepage, go ahead and log in with your credentials to access your account. This will take you to your main Evernote dashboard where you can manage all your notes and settings. Now, look towards the bottom left corner of your screen and click on your name. This will open a menu with several account options. From this menu, select Account Info to access your account settings page. This is where you'll find all the important configurations and security features for your Evernote account. Once you're on the Account Info page, navigate to the left panel and click on Account Security. This section contains all the privacy and security related settings, including the option to close your account permanently. It's an important feature that Evernote keeps secure to prevent accidental deletions. Next, click the Close Account button. This will initiate the account deletion process and take you through several verification steps to ensure you really want to proceed with closing your account. Evernote takes this seriously because deleting your account is permanent and will remove all your notes and data. You'll now need to complete the verification process that appears on screen. After that, check the box beside I understand. This confirms that you're aware of the consequences of deleting your account and that all your data will be permanently removed. In the bottom right corner, click Next to proceed to the next step of the verification process. Here, you'll need to enter your first and last name along with your email address in the designated fields. This helps Evernote confirm your identity before proceeding with the account deletion. After entering your information, click the Verify Email button. This will trigger Evernote to send a verification email to the address you just provided, which you'll need to access shortly. Now, check the box beside I am human and complete the reCAPTCHA that appears. Once you've finished the reCAPTCHA, click Next. This security measure helps prevent automated bots from deleting accounts without authorization. On the next screen, click Verify to confirm you want to receive the verification email. At this point, open a new tab or window and go to your email inbox. Look for the email that Evernote just sent you and click on it to open it. Inside the email, you'll find a verification code. Go ahead and copy this code. Then, return to the Evernote tab in your browser and paste the code into the verification field. This confirms that you have access to the email address associated with your account. Next, check the box beside I'm sending this request on my own behalf. This is an important step that confirms you're the actual account owner making this request and not someone acting on your behalf. Click Next in the bottom right corner to continue. Now, click the drop-down menu beside How can we help you and select I want to delete my account from the list of options. This tells Evernote exactly what action you're requesting. Once again, click Next in the bottom right corner to move forward. You'll now see several checkboxes that confirm you understand the various aspects of account deletion. Go ahead and check all the boxes to acknowledge each statement. Finally, click Submit in the bottom right corner. This completes the account deletion request process, and Evernote will begin processing your request to permanently delete your account and all associated data. And that's it. You've successfully submitted your request to delete your Evernote account. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.